Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is going to be a very fun one. We are trying out a brand new product. This is the new Bali Body Clear 1 Hour Express Tan. Just came out, so I'm super excited to be trying it out with you guys, seeing what it does, what I like, what I don't, and then letting you know if I think it's worth your money. So before we get into the fun part, please make sure to give this a thumbs up for me and please subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on 3 videos a week. Please make sure you're subscribed, but if you want to see me review this new product, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so little disclaimer before we get started. This video is a collaboration with Bali Body, so thank you so much to Bali Body for collabing on this. It's going to be a fun one. But obviously, like I always say, my opinions on the products that I try are my very own, collaboration or not. So I promise my thoughts and my opinions on this are truthful, honest, and my opinions. So I did want to start by saying that. But now we can get started on this. Like I said, this is a Bali Body. It's a 1 Hour Express Tan, but this is a clear version. So I do want to start by mentioning, I know I'm not the biggest fan of clear self-tanners. I honestly feel like I've warmed up to them a lot lately. Like the last 4 or 5 clear self-tanners that I've tried, I've actually really enjoyed. So I feel like I'm coming around to them a little bit more. But I also feel like it's because I self-tan every single week. So I kind of know exactly how to put the self-tanner on so I don't miss any spots. But obviously I will be very real with you on how I feel about application, if I feel like I missed anything, and then obviously you'll see tomorrow if I missed anything. So yeah, some details on this. I don't have the price off the top of my head, but it will be linked in the description and I'll have the price in there for you too. So just check it out there. Some details on this, just from what I can see, says invisible, streak free, so I'm not supposed to be streaky, which I love. It's an aerated self-tanning foam, which I'm so excited about because my favorite Bali Body self-tanner formula is their aerated foams, like the 1 Hour Express Dark and Extra Dark. I'm so obsessed with the formula of those. The dark version, I literally use that almost every single week when I'm not trying a new self-tanner, so I'm really excited to see about this one with it being that similar formula or same formula. And then it says 1 hour light, 2 hours medium, 3 hours dark. Obviously we're gonna keep it on for the 3 hours. I wanna see how dark I get. It's made in Australia, and then you get 7.6 fluid ounces, so it's a pretty big product. It's clinically tested, so suitable for sensitive skin. My skin can be on the little bit more sensitive side, so I'm very happy to hear that. And then on the back here, it's vegan friendly, achieve a dark tan in as little as 60 minutes with this fast drying and zero transfer express tanner. This revolutionary no rinse formula allows you to apply any time of the day or night to see noticeable results in just 1 hour. Enriched with niacinamide, glycerin, and vitamin E, this skin-loving formula is dermatologically tested and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. And then for the directions, obviously you would apply like you would any other self-tanner. And then it does say Express Clear does not need to be rinsed, but if you want to prevent it getting darker, rinse between 1 to 3 hours. So the tan will continue to develop over 24, of course, that's how it always goes. Love that it's cruelty-free, love that it's made in Australia with naturally derived ingredients. I also love that there's skincare in this too. I keep saying this, but I love the focus on skincare ingredients in products like this because not only do I want to be tan, but I want to be taking care of my skin. So that combination is just perfect. I'm also super excited because as much as I am addicted to my color guides to see how much color I'm gonna get, I love the idea of it being like mess-free, stress-free, streak-free, just easy going. I love that I don't have to worry about getting the product on my white sheets. Obviously, I'm gonna keep you guys posted if I see something different, but usually with the clear self-tanner, it is white sheet friendly, so I have high hopes there. And I love that this is Busy Girl approved. So if you are putting self-tanner on at the last minute and you have things to do, this is like double good because You don't need to rinse it off, so you don't have to worry about like rushing home to wash it off. And it's an express, so you know you're gonna get the color pretty much right away, so you don't have to worry about waiting if you do need to shower. So I love that you get like the 2-in-1. So this just sounds amazing. I think it sounds really great. I'm super excited to try it out and see what it does for me. So all that's left to do is apply. I've already prepped my skin. We can get started on applying. So I have my little mitt here. I am just gonna apply, obviously like I would any other self-tanner. You guys will do it with me and then we'll talk details right after. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished applying, showed you everywhere I wanted you to see me apply, and I have some thoughts. First thing I noticed was when I squirted the product out onto the mitt, I was like, this looks exactly like whipped cream. I'm obsessed. I just wanted to eat it. Obviously I didn't, but I wanted to. So it looks amazing, smells just like any other Bali Body self-tanner. I don't really know how to explain the smell. It's like a subtle smell, doesn't smell chemically or anything like that, so it's not bad at all. The next thing I noticed obviously was going on the skin. So as soon as I started applying, I was like, oh, I love the whipped cream consistency, you guys. Like I am just obsessed with the way that it feels on the skin, the way that it goes on, the way that it blends. Everything about this formula is like A+ to me. I just feel like it works so well. The only thing to keep in mind, since this is a clear, this one is more quick drying, which I love because I feel zero stickiness. Like I feel really, really good, which also busy girl friendly. You can just put it on, put your clothes on and go about your day. You're not gonna feel like a gross self tan on your skin. So I love that, but with that, you also have to really, really pay attention to where you're applying the product because it does dry down quicker. So it doesn't have that like wet kind of like look or film over the product so you could see like, oh, it's wet right here, I applied. So you just have to be a lot more careful and mindful to make sure that you applied it everywhere so you don't end up with like spots where there's no self-tanner the next day. So just keep that in mind, but I absolutely love the quick drying formula. I love the way that it's feeling. My skin also feels hydrated and moisturized, so I really, really love that. It's also really quick to apply, so I feel like it took me like no time to do my body. So I'm loving it. Obviously I can't speak to color just yet because there is none so far. It's a clear. So I'm gonna let it do its thing, and then I will come back tomorrow, show you guys the tan that we're kind of working with, and then I'll give you my final thoughts and let you know if I think it's worth your money. So I will see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, I'm back. It's the next day and here is my tan. Obviously I have a huge smile on my face, so I'm loving the results that I got from this. Of course it's Bali Body, so I was expecting to get color from it, but I feel like with clear self-tanners, sometimes they can be a little bit more on like the lighter side than they would be dark. I feel like this got me dark. I don't know what you guys are thinking or seeing. Let me know in the comments, but I feel like I got dark from this. Like the amount of color that I got, I'm actually shocked and super, super happy. Loved how it wore last night. Like it was super, super comfortable. I was wearing like pants and a sweater, just like comfy clothes that I usually put on after self-tanning. And I got kind of hot, so I had shorts and a t-shirt on, and I felt so comfortable. Like I didn't feel like I had self-tanner on, it just felt like I had like moisturizer on my skin. So I loved the way that it wore throughout the night. I honestly kind of forgot about it, if I'm being honest. And since this was rinse-free, I literally just didn't even rinse it. Like I fell asleep, forgot about it. So white sheet approved. But this morning when I woke up, I did rinse my body and started my day, let it do its thing, just like develop over the day. And this is the tan that I got, you guys. Like I'm very, very impressed with the color. Didn't smell or anything throughout the night. And then obviously I got a very good tan. I will say I was a little bit nervous last night after putting it on because like I said, it was clear, it dried down really quickly. So I was like, I really hope that I covered every area and didn't miss any spots and end up with streaks, but I did not. No streaks on my body whatsoever. It looks perfect in my opinion. So I really, really love the result. The color is stunning. It's like a beautiful golden tan. I just look like I was on vacation and it looks like my tan. It doesn't look fake. So I absolutely love the result that you get from it. I'm just obsessed and I love how much color you got. Like, it's hard to find a clear self tanner that can get you this much color. So obviously it's a yes for me. I really, really love the result of this one. So that's all I've got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about how it turned out. Let me know what else you want me to try. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.